Hello my dear friends. I welcome you to the Smart Economics channel. Many people would like to succeed in investments and secure a rich future for themselves, but not everyone succeeds. But there are some lucky people who make money literally out of thin air. They have the touch of King Midas and turn literally everything around them into gold. Their investments outperform all professional investors, overtake the growth of all index funds, and they do not live in fairyland, but literally among us. Who are they, people or gods? Thanks to data from open sources, we can get to know them better. So, meet our heroes. Speaker of the House of Representatives Nancy Pelosi invested in several American companies right before the growth of their quotes and earned. Nancy Patricia Pelosi is an American politician serving as Speaker of the United States House of Representatives since 2019, and previously from 2007 to 2011. She has served as a U.S. Representative from California since 1987. On January 3, 2021, Pelosi was re-elected to a fourth term as Speaker of the House. The Nonpartisan Center for Responsive Politics, CRP, estimated in 2009 that Pelosi's average net worth was approximately $58 million, ranking her 13th among 25 wealthiest members of Congress. In 2014, CRP reported Pelosi's average net worth almost doubled to approximately $101 million, ranking her 8th out of the 25 wealthiest members of Congress. Roll call said Pelosi's earnings are connected to her husband's heavy investments in stocks that include Apple, Disney, Comcast and Facebook. As of 2021, Pelosi's net worth was valued at $120 million, making her the sixth richest person in Congress. According to journalist Glenn Greenwald, the Pelosi's have traded $33 million worth of tech stocks over the past 2 years, including Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and Google stocks. In May and June 2021, Pelosi's husband purchased stocks in tech companies such as Alphabet, Amazon, and Apple, netting a gain of $5.3 million. This occurred even while Speaker Pelosi was working on antitrust legislation to better regulate the tech industry. The CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, had called Pelosi to lobby her in opposition to the new regulations. Pelosi opposes increasing regulations on stock trades by members of Congress, stating that we are a free market economy and Congress people should be able to participate in that. This comment drew strong criticism, including from Democrats who favor banning stock trades by members of Congress. The House Speaker made millions of bets on shares of Google, Salesforce, Roblox, Micron and Disney. Buying call options on these securities is a fairly long-term bet for Nancy Pelosi, as the contracts expire in late 2022 and early 2023. As analysts debate what to expect from the stock market, Nancy Pelosi and her husband Paul are buying call options on U.S. tech stocks including Google, Salesforce, Roblox and Disney. The volume of transactions is estimated in millions of dollars. The deals were made between December 17th and December 21. Days after Nancy Pelosi told a press conference that members of Congress should be able to transact in shares of individual companies, although they often have access to insider information that can move the market. The value of call options has likely increased substantially in recent days as the market was supported by the Santa Claus rally at the end of the year. Buying call options with a strike below the market price requires paying a large upfront premium that explains the difference, but this premium can act as a leverage that can serve to increase profits if the price rises afterwards. Each of the companies listed in the report has risen in value since Pelosi made the purchases. Paul Pelosi, Nancy's husband, runs Financial Leasing Services, a real estate, venture capital and consulting company. In recent years, he has made a lot of money in a number of stocks his wife regulates, including Amazon, Apple and Google. Stock trading by members of Congress and their families has become the subject of public debate following several incidents around the past year in which they were accused of using non-public information gathered in the course of their duties to profit from stock trading. Federal law requires members of Congress to file reports within 45 days after they or their spouses have bought or sold securities in excess of $1,000, along with an estimate of the value of the transactions. These are such funny stories from the world of finance that I told you today. Good luck to you, my dear friends. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button to share this information with other people. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel to follow the news and keep abreast of the latest developments in the world of economics and investment.